खुश रहो। आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एफईएम, प्रोग्राम बीएससी बीएड पीसीएम, 5th सेम course is multivariate calculus and vector differentiation. Or session of today is the vector differentiation. So in order to introducing, suppose r is equal to rt is a function of t, it is a vector function. If a particle is moving along a curved path, then the position vector r of the particle is a function of t if the component of ft along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis is f1t, f2t and f3t respectively, then f of t vector is equal to f1ti plus f2tj and f3tk. ijk is the unit vector along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So this is the function of t in the 3-dimension space x, y and z. Again, scalar and vector point function. So first of all, what do you mean by the point function? A variable quantity whose value at any point in a region of space depend upon the position of the point is called the point function. What do you mean by scalar point function? If each point p, x, y, z of a region p in a space, there corresponds a unique scalar fp, then f is called the scalar point function. And here example is temperature distribution in the heated body, density of body and the potential due to gravity are the body, density of the body and potential due to gravity are the example of scalar point function. Again, vector point function, to each point p, x, y, z in a region R space there corresponding a unit vector fp, then f is called the vector point function. For example, velocity of moving fluid, gravitational force, acceleration, etc. So here is the concern of scalar quantity and vector quantity. So in this regard, where direction is then it is vector point function, and where only magnitude is matter, then scalar point function. So next, gradient operator delta is represented by I del del x plus j del del y plus k del del z. It is called the delta operator or nebula operator. Gradient of any scalar point function, phi x y z be a scalar point function, then del phi over del x plus j del phi over del y plus k del phi over del z is called the gradient of scalar point function. So gradient phi is equal to I del phi over del x plus j del phi over del y and k del phi over del y. Here it is essential phi will be the scalar point function. So we have to calculate some numerical problem of gradient. Here scalar point function phi is given 3x square y minus y cube z cube. Find the gradient of phi at the point 1, 2, 1. So solution, in order to finding the solution, first of all we have calculate the gradient of phi. Gradient operator I del phi over del x, I del x plus j del y plus k del z, or phi function is 3x square y minus y cube z cube. Whenever we differentiate it with respect to x and y and z, it gives I 6xy plus j 3x square minus 3y square z square plus k minus 2y cube z. Or we have to calculate it on the point 1 minus 2 1. So replace xy1 by minus 2 and zy1, and we get the final answer is minus 12y minus 9j minus 16k. So this is the gradient phi at the point 1 minus 2 1. Another problem is here we have to find the directional derivative of phi is given here x square y square z square at the point of 1 minus 1 1. In the direction of the tangent to the curve, x is equal to e to the power t, y is equal to sin 2t plus 1, z is equal to 1 minus cos t at t is equal to 0. So in order to find the solution, phi is given here x square y square z square. So first of all we have to calculate gradient of phi, or gradient is equal to I del x plus j del y plus k del z. We operate x square y square z square on this operator and find the del of phi at the point 1 1 minus 1. So after finding del phi, we replace x by 1 by y1 z y minus 1, and we get 2i plus 2j minus 2k. Here we have r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, or x is equal to e to the power t, y is equal to sin 2t plus 1, z is equal to 1 minus cos t. These are the parameters. So putting these value at the place of x, y, z, and we get the t is equal to d r over dt e to the power ti plus 2 cos 2tj plus sin t tk, and therefore the vector in the direction we get tangent at t is equal to 0. So putting the value t is equal to 0 in this equation, and we get I plus 2j. So this is the r. Now required directional derivative in the direction of here given here 2i plus 2j, it will be 2i plus 2j minus 2k into I plus 2j upon under root 1 plus 4. So we have putting these value in the direction formula of the directional derivative. Directional derivative is gradient phi and the direction in which we have to find the gradient phi, and we have to find the dot product of both. So after finding the dot product of gradient phi into direction of given vector r, that is I plus 2j, so unit vector, this is the unit vector of in the direction of I plus 2j, and multiplied both we get the 6 upon root 5. This is the answer. Verify Nebula operator cross f r is equal to 0. This is the curl operator. It is because curl is the cross product. So Nebula operator is just same I del x plus j del y plus k del z, cross product f r. So such type of equation can be solved by the determinant. In the determinant, first row is ijk, second row is del x, del y, del z, and third row is the function which is given for finding the curl, that is fr at x plus fr at y, fr at z. Now expanding this determinant I and then coefficient of I is equal to del y frz minus del z fry. So calculate this thing minus j and exclude the row and column of j, and then del x of frz minus del z of frx, and just similar plus k into del x of fry minus del y of frx. Now differentiate this, and after calculating and taking some common fr upon r, it gives yz minus yzi, xz minus xzj, xy minus xyk. So all coefficient of ijk will vanish, and the final answer of this will be the 0. So this is the curl operator. Here we have to solve the numerical question of gradient operator, divergence operator, and curl operator. In gradient operator, it is essential function should be scalar point function. In divergence, function should be vector function, and divergence is the dot product, and in curl we have to find the cross product. So these three operator is divergence operator, gradient operator, divergence operator, and curl operator. So I hope you all are satisfied with this solution. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.